talk about what this session is all about, okay? We all are here because we want to crack an interview, we want to find a job. But what happens when you go for an interview? So, what happens is interviewers ask us a lot of questions. But is it not right that we also ask our interviewers some questions to understand whether this job is genuinely going to help us or not? Are we going to be in sync and aligned with the company's goals or not? So, what kind of questions should we ask? Would it make me sound intelligent? This is all something that, possibly we think about, right? We think about these things and we are generally afraid to ask. So, here is what I'm going to do today. This session is completely going to talk about what questions you can ask, why is it important to ask questions, and more importantly, what would happen if you ask questions, right? Let's discuss that. So, okay, let me just introduce you. We just spoke about it. See, when we discuss about interviews, right? Every time we talk about interviews, we are being assessed as interviewees. There are two people involved. One is somebody who is asking us questions, and the ones we have to answer those questions. Let's turn this around a little bit. If we are going to get paid for the work that we are going to do, and the company wants us to be aligned, we also should be aligned to our company's goals. That is where this entire topic comes into picture. So asking intelligent questions during the interview or post an interview actually demonstrates, how much you are interested in the role, whether you align with the company's interest, whether you are going to grow with the company or not. Okay, and in fact, you also would understand the company's culture a little bit. So let's take a little bit of statistics, okay? So, statistics have shown that 25% of people believe that when you ask questions during an interview, and how it helps crack interview, it demonstrates knowledge. 25% of the people believe that it demonstrates knowledge, that you have some knowledge. It clarifies a lot of doubts in your own head. Like we go with a lot of questions, we go with a lot of doubts. When you ask questions to your interviewer, not only helps you crack the interview, but also clarifies a lot of doubt that you might. 20% of the people believe that it also shows interest. That means that you are showing interest in the organization, meaning you want to be with the organization longer and also grow along with it. And most importantly, 25% of the people believe that it builds rapport. Genuinely, when you ask intelligent questions, it builds a quick rapport with your interviewer and they know you better. So now that we know the statistics and how asking questions genuinely helps you crack interview, let's see what kind of questions. What questions should you ask? What are the importance of these questions? So what happens? See, when you show interest, it demonstrates your enthusiasm for the role and for the company. Shows that you're more prepared. When we say clarifies doubt, it helps you understand what kind of job you're going to do. Okay, you understand the company better, and plus you also know whether you are a good fit or not. When we say demonstrates knowledge, it actually shows, it allows the interviewer, that is the person who is asking you questions, show that you are well prepared and you have an understanding of what you are here for the interview. And most importantly, building rapport, that's how it all starts. It helps you build a connection with your interviewer, making you more memorable. Now, when I say making you more memorable, understand that it's not just about the first impression. It's always about a lasting impression. And lasting impression only happens when you ask right questions. What kind of questions we should ask? Let's take a look at it. So the kind of questions you can ask about your interviewer should be about the role. And we need to be very specific about it, okay? When we are asking questions, we should think about the kind of questions we are asking, what we are trying to understand, what are we trying to resolve, and what should we ask. So your questions should be more about the role, about the team, about the company, about your professional growth and development, and more importantly, some closing questions to help you understand whether you are the right fit, and also show your interviewers probably that you are interested. Now I'm going to pause here. Anything that you guys want to probably ask? any doubts you have before we move forward?
Yeah, Vijay Lakshmi. So you all can put in your questions in the Q&A box, or if you all want, since you have the opportunity, you can raise your hand and you can ask directly to Vijay Lakshmi your question.
Okay. How many of you have genuinely given interviews in the past? I want to ask you guys this.
I have given like 100+ interviews.
Oh, you have? Lovely. I think I have given 100+ interviews in my lifetime also. Always had a question in my head that what should I ask my interviewer? इसने तो सवाल पूछ लिया, but what am I going to ask? There's a problem there.
We have Raman who has raised their hand, and
yes, let's take a question. Hi, Raman.
Hello. Hi, Emma. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Tell me. Let's hear your experience of an interview.
I am a student, ma'am. I am a background. I am belongs to pharmacy background, ma'am.
You belong to what? Sorry.
Pharmacy.
Pharmacy. Oh, lovely. Okay.
Yeah, pharmacy. And how can we face the pressure and the situation during the interview?
How can we face pressure and anxiety during interview, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the first step is to always be prepared. Read the job description carefully. Very important to read the job description. Read about the organization so that you know where you are going to work. If you're going to give the interview, it is always important to be prepared beforehand. Okay? That's important. So be prepared, read about the organization, and read the job description carefully before you even apply. If you think that even one thing is not going to be, if your values are not going to be aligned with the job description, I would genuinely suggest do not give the interview. If you feel that, okay, this is something that I can do, this is something that I'm ready for, after reading the job description, only then go ahead and give the interview, because you will feel more confident. When your values are aligned with the job description, you will feel more confident in giving the interview as well. Raman, I hope that answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhi, let's discuss and continue with the session. Let's see what kind of questions you can ask. So we spoke about, हमने बात किया 5 types of questions, like what kind of questions you should ask. अभी मैंने बोला role के बारे में question पूछो. We spoke about ask questions about the role. So what kind of questions you can ask? Here are some examples in front of you. So can you describe a typical day or week in this role? Example देखती हूँ. मैंने अभी हाल ही मेरा ट्रेनिंग मैनेजर के लिए इंटरव्यू दिया था. तब मैंने उनको बोला, मैंने उनसे पूछा ये चीज कि अच्छा मेरे को एक ब्रीफ में गिव मी डिस्क्रिप्शन इन ब्रीफ लाइक हाउ डज माय डे लुक लाइक इन दिस पर्टिकुलर. मैंने पूछा, उससे मेरे को समझ में आया कि मेरे को अपना दिन कैसे प्लान करना है. हाउ शुड आई प्लान माय डे बेटर एंड हाउ कैन आई बी मोर प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दिस. ये क्वेश्चन आपके लिए जरूरी है. इसके अलावा द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एग्जाम्पल, what are the most immediate projects that needs to be addressed? अच्छा, जब भी हम किसी भी नौकरी पे जाते हैं ना, मेरे साथ बहुत फनी सी चीज है. जब मैंने अपना न्यू रोल लिया, जब मैंने जॉब स्विच किया एक कंपनी से दूसरी कंपनी में, आते के साथ ही मेरे बॉस ने बोला ये 50 चीजें तुम्हें अभी के अभी खत्म करके देनी है. अभी तो नया रोल शुरू हुआ है, अभी नौकरी शुरू करी है, कैसे कर ले पता भी नहीं, आपने पहले से बताया भी नहीं, तो मैं कहाँ से प्रिपेयर्ड रहूंगी? How would I be prepared for something that I don't know about, right? So if I had asked this question, अगर मैंने ये question पूछ लिया होता, तो शायद I would have been better prepared for this. Like I would have known कि क्या आने वाला है. I would have genuinely known कि okay, when I join, ये सारी चीजें जो मुझे immediately देखनी पड़ेगी. Next, key challenges someone would face in this role. Key challenges क्या होता है basically? मेरे को पता है नौकरी करनी है, मुझे पता है आई एम एट अ डेजिग्नेशन, राइट? बट दिस डेजिग्नेशन कम्स एट अ प्राइस. यस, सो दिस डेजिग्नेशन कम्स एट अ प्राइस. आई नो देयर इज अ चैलेंज, देयर इज गोइंग टू बी अ लॉट ऑफ चैलेंजेस दैट आई एम गोइंग टू फेस इन दिस पर्टिकुलर रोल, मालूम है मुझे. बट इफ आई एम मोर प्रिपेयर्ड, इफ आई ऑलरेडी नो व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग माई सेल्फ इनटू, एज इन अगर मुझे पहले से पता होगा कि इसमें ये चैलेंजेस आने वाले हैं, राइट, आई वुड एक्चुअली मेंटली प्रिपेयर माई सेल्फ सो दैट आई डोंट फील एंजाइटी एंड आई डोंट फील प्रेशर व्हेन आई एक्चुअली डू द जॉब. जब मैं एक्चुअली वो काम करने जाऊंगी ना, तो अगर ये सवाल मुझे पता होगा, पहले से मेरे को इसका जवाब पता होगा ना, तो मेरे दिमाग में ना बहुत क्लियर होगा, आई विल बी वेरी क्लियर कि आई नो आई एम गोइंग टू फेस दीज चैलेंजेस, मेरे को ये तकलीफें होने वाली हैं और मैं इनके लिए इस तरीके से प्रिपेयर रह सकूं, तो मेरा प्रेशर एंड एंजाइटी कम हो जाएगा. My anxiety and my pressure, I would not feel that amount of pressure probably, which I would have otherwise, had. Okay, so I see कि बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पर either are English speaking or Hindi speaking. So I'm going to switch between languages. Is that okay? Works for everyone? Perfect. Lovely. Achha, another thing possibly, this question helps you. See, understand this. When you say what are the key challenges someone would face in this role, funniest thing is it not only helps you sound confident. ये question ना आपको confident, सिर्फ आपको confident नहीं sound करवाएगा. In fact, आपको ये पता चलेगा, you will get to know how your interviewer is he prepared to answer this question or not. Whether the company that you're interviewing for, whether they are prepared for the interview or not. You would also get to know this. आपको भी ये बात पता चलेगी कि क्या को पता है कि क्या challenges है इस role में. Are they able to answer your questions? So that also you will get to know. Which means you get to know a little bit about the culture also of the organization. When we say, whenever we join an organization, जब भी हम कोई organization join करते हैं ना, transparency की बातें होती है. We are a family, we would like to be transparent, but are they genuinely transparent? You will genuinely get to know through this question. इस क्वेश्चन से आपको पता चलेगा कि जेन्युइनली क्या आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन उतनी ट्रांसपेरेंट है जितना वो क्लेम करते हैं. आर दे जेन्युइनली दैट कॉन्फिडेंट और ट्रांसपेरेंट दैट दे आर व्हिच दे आर पोर्ट्रेइंग देमसेल्व्स टू बी. सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके गाइस, दीज आर सम थिंग्स दैट यू प्रोबेबली कैन राइट डाउन. आप लोग चाहें तो आप लिख सकते हैं इन क्वेश्चंस को. आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट क्विकली गो थ्रू दिस. Last two questions are very simple. This will help you understand whether you are going to grow with the company or what is your future in the organization. See, जब आप performance के बारे में या success के बारे में बात करते हैं, it shows whether you are going to grow with this organization or what is the kind of growth you are going to get. किस तरीके की growth आपको मिलेगी इस particular position. Let's move to the next one. We spoke about the role. अच्छा, अब हम अकेले तो काम नहीं करने वाले. We are not going to work alone, right? We are going to work with a team. Now, in the chat box now, I saw a lot of people asking this question saying that have you ever worked with your boss, had disagreements with your boss? I wish I knew my team during the interview to be able to resolve this, and I wish I had asked these questions. कि क्या मेरी team है, who will I be working with? If I genuinely had known this, I think my life would have been easier. मेरी life आसान हो जाती नई नौकरी में. So, to get to know your team, people that you're going to work with. Question: how many of you think that it is important to know your team beforehand and not afterwards? आप में से कितनों को लगता है कि मुझे जिनके साथ मैं काम करने वाली हूँ उनके बारे में पहले या करने वाला हूँ उनके बारे में पहले से पता होना चाहिए. Come on guys, we all LinkedIn stock, right? The moment we get to know कि हमारे कंपनी में कोई ज्वाइन कर रहा है ना, we all go through their LinkedIn profiles. Why do we do that? Because we want to know. Great. On that note, let's take a look at what kind of questions we can ask. So can you tell me about the team? Ask about the culture, right? Communication, collaboration, weakness and strength of the team to help you guys understand better as to how you are going to be placed, how the team is going to be. Knowing the team is better by knowing the strength and opportunities. Absolutely. So when you get to know that better, you know your people better. Absolutely. Okay. On that note, while we have spoken about the room, we have spoken about the team, let's also take a look at something which is going to connect to this dot. Moving on to the next slide, about the company. When you are collaborating, when you're supporting each other, when you have an enhanced and strengthened work team, then comes the company, right? Then comes questions about the organization. अपनी बात कर ली, we spoke about the role. Team की बात कर ली, we spoke about the team that you'll be working with. let's talk about kaha kaam kar rahe hain, the organization that we are going to work with, right? So questions that you should ask about your company to the HR, and of course put them on spot as well. If you read these questions carefully, na, it talks about company's culture. Do you know maximum amount of people leave an organization not because they have a problem with the role or the team, but because they have a problem with the culture of the organization. कभी-कभी क्या होता है ना, pressure एक तरफ, but when a company's culture becomes very toxic, that is when people quit. And there's a saying, एक कहावत है, and it goes like this: people don't leave organizations. People don't leave people in an organization. They leave the organization. लोग ना लोगों को छोड़ के जाते हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन छोड़ते हैं ना, तो वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के कल्चर की वजह से मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम छोड़ के जाते हैं. So remember, company's culture, knowing about that is very very important. दूसरा, आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? How would you guys know whether you are going to grow with the organization or not if you don't know what the company's goals are? मुझे ही नहीं पता होगा कि अगले साल कंपनी का गोल क्या है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को नहीं पता होगा, then how would you guys grow along with it, right? Plus the role that you're applying for, going back to the first one that we spoke about, how does your role contribute to the company's overall goals? तो आपको इतना पता चलेगा कि on a scale of 1 to 5, how important your role is in the entire organization's contribution to its development. Organization के आगे बढ़ने के लिए आपके department या आपका role कितना important है, you will get to. And of course, when you know what are the opportunities the company has, you will know whether the company is going to grow in the direction upwards or in the direction downwards. All of these questions, ये सारे questions, help you form a better decision, an informed decision. आपके लिए ना, it will be very informed. Now when I say informed, it means आपको पता होगा कि आप किस तरीके की organization join कर रहे हो before you even join it. अक्सर ऐसी चीजें ना कंपनी ज्वाइन करने के बाद पता चलती है. We get to know about all of these things post we join an organization. But if I ask these questions during my interview, don't you guys think that it will help you make a decision? It will help you decide better whether or not you want to join. क्या आपको नहीं लगता कि ये सवाल पूछने से आप लोगों के पास एक अपॉर्चुनिटी होगी डिसाइड करने की कि मुझे ज्वाइन करना चाहिए या नहीं? What do you think? Put your thoughts on the chat, please. Yes, for sure. See? Lovely. So guys, remember, knowing the organization before you join the organization is going to help you. Next, we all want an organization where we want to grow. हम लोग सब चाहते हैं कि पैसा तो बढ़े ही बढ़े, साथ में हम भी ग्रो करें. Why do we work? नौकरी क्यों करते हैं? चाहते हैं ना करियर बढ़े, पैसा बढ़े. Ultimately, we are all working for that. I am also working for that. I want a career growth, I want a money growth. That's what we all are working for, and that's what we call professional development. Correct? इसी को professional development बोलते हैं ना, where you are learning, where you get to know about, where I am growing with the organization in terms of designation as well as in terms of rewards. Awards से ज़्यादा reward पे focus, right? So, important point. Asking questions about professional development, knowing what opportunities are there, what kind of training you guys are going to get in the organization, and how does your company support your career growth and advancement will help you again know better. जब आपको पता होगा कि क्या आपकी कंपनी genuinely आपको सपोर्ट करती है, क्या उनके पास ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स है which support your professional development? Does your organization have a platform which helps you, which helps growth? That's when you will also know what kind of organization you are with. Someone who focuses on just profits or somebody who focuses on people and growth of the people. जिस कंपनी में ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं, जिस कंपनी का ट्रेनिंग स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, जो सपोर्ट करते हैं, कंपनीज दैट हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स, कंपनीज दैट सपोर्ट करियर ग्रोथ, trust me, those companies always are for people, not against people. ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस ना कंपनी पीपल के लिए काम करते हैं, दे डोंट वर्क अगेंस्ट पीपल। तो हमें किस टाइप की कंपनी चाहिए? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वुड यू लाइक टू जॉइन? अ कंपनी दैट इज फॉर पीपल or the company that is for profit? What kind of company, like organization, do you guys want to join? For people, for reward, like for organization? What? For people. People centric. Absolutely. I'm glad you guys know the importance. Now that we have asked every question that is there in the book, how do we close it? See, whenever an interviewer closes the interview, जब भी कोई interviewer होता है ना, an HR, जब वो आपसे question पूछते हैं, when they want to end the interview, जब उनको इंटरव्यू खत्म करना होता है, they ask you this: Do you have any questions for me? Right or wrong? कोई इंटरव्यूअर हमेशा आपसे यही पूछता है, क्या आपके पास मेरे लिए कोई सवाल है? That's how they end it, right? Yeah, right. So, what can we do then? We also need to have some kind of closing question, ना? हमारे पास भी तो होना चाहिए wrap up question. तो क्या wrap up question हो सकता है? When can I expect to hear from you? Do you think this is an important question? कब पता चलेगा मुझे? कब? I'm waiting for this answer. So ask directly. See, some of the organizations, and this is with my experience, I think Shrang, you would also agree, knowing that you have given 100 interviews, I'm sure you would agree that all of us have gone through this phase wherein, we see organizations just ghosting us post interview. Then we have to follow up. Organizations तो जवाब ही नहीं देती. इंटरव्यू खत्म हो गया, 3 महीने तक वेट कर रहे, कोई जवाब नहीं आ रहा है, हम फॉलो अप ले रहे. Happens? Shrang, has it happened to you?
The time, most of the time.
Yeah. So, that anxiety and that pressure is too much, right? That anxiety, that pressure is too much. And I don't think anybody wants to go through that. So, it's important that we know when are they going to respond to us. जब हमें पता होगा, when we get to know that the other person has taken, say, about 3 months, 6 months, whatever time, we will be well prepared and we will be less anxious. जब I know already कि यार सामने वाला मेरे को बोल चुका है ना 6 months, when the other person has already told me 6 months, I'm not going to be worried about that for at least for 6 months. So you're clear in it. And two, the second one, is there anything else you need from me to help make your decision? अच्छा, now remember this. ये question आप अपने जैसे एक ना मैंने I just read this one. मैं आपको किस आधार पे select करूँ? This is a question that interviewers ask us. कि why should I select you for this position? Now imagine you asking the same question. Should I be doing something to, help you make your decision? क्या मैं कोई ऐसी चीज कर सकती हूँ जिससे कि your decision becomes easier? Every interviewer asks this, ना? So then we also should ask, क्या मैं ये सवाल पूछ सकती हूँ? कि can I do something? Is there something that I should do so that आपको आपका decision लेने में easy हो जाए? Yes? Then I would recommend genuinely ask this question. Next time when you're giving an interview, and if you are preparing for an interview currently, genuinely guys, I want you to ask these such questions. Ask for the next steps. What are going to be the next steps? What are going to be, what is it that would help you get to that decision? What is it that is, where is the stop page? Like you can also ask a question like, possibly, what are your expectations? This is something that you should ask. What do you expect from me in this particular role that you are hiring me for? आप उनसे ये सवाल पूछ सकते हो कि आपकी expectation मेरे से क्या है? So you will know whether your interviewer is prepared, and two, your interviewer knows that you are very well prepared and you know what you're talking about. So it makes their life easier to hire you and your life easier to get to know the organization. You can make a well-informed decision. एक organization join करना एक unity के बराबर है, right? It's like a collaboration between two people, an organization and a person. So if you genuinely want to collaborate and if you genuinely want to crack it, ज़रूरी है expectations are clear. And genuinely, trust me, it not only makes it more conversational, interview conversational, it actually helps you reduce your anxiety, your pressure, and in fact, more importantly, it certainly helps you, it certainly genuinely helps you in making an informed decision. आपके लिए बहुत आसान हो जाएगा एक इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसीजन बनाना वेदर आई शुड ज्वाइन दिस कंपनी और नॉट. कई बार हम उसी में अटक जाते हैं और कई बार होते हैं मजबूरी में ज्वाइन किया लेकिन बाद में ढूंढते रहेंगे. बट कितनी बार ऐसे इंटरव्यूज दे जहाँ पे हम अनसर्टिनिटी में इंटरव्यूज दे. Why should we give interviews with uncertainty? Why should we not give interviews with utmost amount of informed decision? We are making that decision. Agreed, guys? Yes, no? Any thoughts? I hope this session helped you guys, and I hope you have taken down all the questions and you're going to try and ask. I would love to hear from you guys later on, you know, how this particular session or this particular questionnaire helped you in your interviews. I would love to hear it.